fam, welcome to my channel. I am Darika, and if you're new here, by all means, get comfortable. Kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Look around at the content that I create. If you find that you like it and you want more, please like and subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you for coming on back. Remember that you all are always welcome in my house. Today, fam, we're going to be sublimating on this shirt. We're going to be putting an image on this shirt. It is Jersey's 21M shirt. It's 100% polyester. So if you want to see what I'm going to be sublimating on this shirt today, come on, let's go. So here's our image coming out of the printer. Okay, y'all, so we're over at my heat press right now, and I've already placed my hardboard down, and this board is just to help me better turn my print when I'm trying to press it, just to help me turn it and get it under the heat press. It's just to maneuver it around. And I have this craft paper on top of it. This craft paper is to try and help protect my board from getting ink on it from when I press it. As you can see, I've already got some ink on it, but I'm trying to prevent it from getting more ink on it. So there is my craft paper. And I got this craft paper from Amazon, and I got this board from Lowe's. So now let me bring our print over. And this is the print right here that we're going to be using, Pittsburgh Steelers print. So I'll place that here, and then I'll get my shirt. Alright, this is the shirt right here. And as you can see, I already placed this board on the inside of my shirt as a template to help me better press it, and stretch it out. This board is called round board. It came from Lowe's, and I put some butcher paper on the inside of here, as well as some parchment paper, just to help the ink not transfer to my round board, so I can use it again over and over again. And if you want to see me do that process, I will link a video at the end of this video to show you in a video where I did all of this on film. So if you want to see that video at the end, click that link and you can see the whole process as to how I cut the round board out, how I put the butcher paper and parchment paper on the inside, and so on. And I've already pre-pressed this shirt as well off camera. I pre-pressed it so I can get the wrinkles out. So now I'm just going to flip it over. Okay, and I'm gonna get it even, get it kind of even it out, and make sure it's in the right spot. Right. So now I'm just gonna get my heat tape and tape it down so it won't move, and then I'm gonna trim around it. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my scissors and trim this excess paper and excess paper off of here. cut the bottom off.
Alright, so now that we have the excess paper trimmed off our print, I'm going to take this whole shirt and flip it over, because in sublimation the print has to be on top of whatever you're pressing instead of the bottom. Alright, so we got our image flipped over. Leave it, this is right there, and I want that to transfer. Trying to make sure it didn't move or anything. So now that it's taped down, just turn it around to flatten it out, to make sure it's flattened out and didn't move on me. So, got that done. And so I'm going to trim this little excess part out the top that's sticking out. Don't want that on there. So now I'm just going to trim. Let me move this up some more. I'm going to trim this excess craft paper off as well, so it won't block me from getting my image as far as I can under the heat press. So now that I have it trimmed down, I'm going to get some parchment paper and put it on top. And then I'm going to begin pressing our shirt. Light it up some more. And I have the heat press set to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So let's get our first press done. Then we'll move on to the second, third, fourth, whatever more we need. That's the first press. Now let's turn it around. Get our second press. feel like a spot up here to get pressed right up in here, so press there again. All right. Now I think I got it. So let's turn it to the other side. All right. So let's get the sleeves. Let's turn it again. Let's get this other sleeve. Alright, and that's the last press. So right now, I'm just gonna take a look at the shirt and make sure there aren't any areas that I need to repress before I remove the paper off of here, because this is tacky paper. I got it from Heat Press Nation, and it will re-stick. If I didn't press the area, I can put it back down and repress on top of it. So that's the good thing about tacky paper. Checking the bottom. See right here in this area, I'm gonna repress that. It don't look like it had enough pressure in that area, so I'm going to repress this area right here. So I'm gonna lay the paper back down and repress that section. So let me check the top. And so I am going to repress around this collar with, I'm going to tighten the pressure some because it needs to be, I see some white around there and I want to press that. And so I think we're going to be good on the rest of it, but I'm going to do those two sections first, and then I'm going to check the entire shirt again and then see, you know, if I'm pleased with it. Let's turn it around and get this neck area again. And I'm going to tighten the pressure up some more so you can get more pressure and get that area. It's too tight. Still too tight, y'all. It won't let me close it. Let me see. right. That should do it. All right. So we got those 2 areas. So now we're going to take another look at the entire shirt. First, we're going to look at the neck area. Okay, that's better. Still a little spot right here, but I'm okay with it. Alright, that looks good. Let me check the bottom again. Alright, look like we got the bottom area as well. So, remove the paper. Y'all, so here is our final product. This Pittsburgh Steelers shirt. Pittsburgh Steelers shirt. That's how it came out. That right there. Okay. I get it, I do. As always, you ain't ready to leave my house. But guess what? You ain't got to go home though, but you're going to have to go to my next video. Please like and subscribe. Until then, bye y'all.